Land your dream job in 7 days with these resume tips. Want a job in just 7 days? Transform your resume into an irresistible magnet for recruiters. Stand out from the crowd and fast-track your career with our expert guidance. In today's competitive job market, a standout resume is more crucial than ever. It serves as your personal marketing tool, capturing the attention of hiring managers and securing interviews. Start by crafting a clear career objective. Align it with the job you're applying for to immediately convey your intent and suitability to potential employers. Use active language to describe your achievements and responsibilities. This not only makes your contributions clear, but also highlights your proactive approach and ability to drive results. Tailor your resume for each application. Incorporate keywords from the job description to ensure it passes through applicant tracking systems and resonates with hiring managers. Highlighting measurable results is crucial to showcase your impact. Quantify achievements with metrics like percentages or numbers to provide concrete evidence of your contributions, making your resume more compelling and persuasive. Choosing a clean, professional format ensures your resume is easy to read and visually appealing. Consistent font and spacing create a polished look that helps you stand out to potential employers. Keeping your resume concise and focused is essential. Aim for one page by emphasizing only relevant experience, allowing hiring managers to quickly identify your qualifications and suitability for the job. Bullet points enhance readability and emphasize key information. They allow recruiters to quickly scan your resume and grasp your achievements and skills, ensuring nothing important gets overlooked in the process. A strong skills section tailored to the job requirements can set you apart. Highlight abilities that align with the role, demonstrating your capability and readiness to meet the employer's needs effectively. Incorporating links to your professional online profiles offers employers a more comprehensive view of your qualifications. Ensure your LinkedIn profile and any relevant portfolios showcase your skills and achievements effectively. Proofreading your resume is crucial to maintain professionalism. Even minor errors can be detrimental, suggesting a lack of attention to detail. Thoroughly check for typos or inconsistencies to ensure clarity and accuracy. Seeking feedback from mentors or industry professionals can provide valuable insights. They can offer constructive criticism and suggest enhancements, enabling you to present your skills and experiences more effectively. Using strong action verbs like achieved, led, or developed can make your accomplishments stand out. They add dynamism to your resume, highlighting your proactive approach and ability to deliver results. Your contact information must be up to date and professional. Use a reliable email address and phone number. Avoid overly casual or inappropriate email handles to maintain a polished first impression. Customizing your resume header is crucial for establishing a strong personal brand. Highlight your unique value proposition to immediately capture the attention of hiring managers and set the tone for the rest of your resume. White space is your friend when designing your resume. It helps to create a clean, uncluttered look, making it easier for recruiters to read and focus on your key qualifications and achievements. Revamping your resume with these tips can significantly increase your chances of landing interviews quickly. Start implementing them today to stand out from the competition and make a memorable impression on employers. Effective resume updates can lead to more interview invitations in just 1 week. Stay ahead in your job search by regularly refining your application materials and showcasing your most relevant skills and experiences. For continuous career advancement, subscribe to receive more valuable tips and hacks. Elevate your job search strategy with expert guidance, ensuring you're always prepared to seize new opportunities as they arise. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips.